Hello everyone, my name is Toan. Welcome to my project. Our group's topic today is Stellar Stories, Space Weather Through the Eyes of Earthlings. But before telling you the story, we must first know what space weather is.
Here are some terms to grasp. First, about the sun day. 1. Sunspots are dark spots on the sun where the temperature is lower and the magnetic field is very strong. 2. Solar flare. A solar flare is a burst of light and energy emitted from the sun that can disrupt radio waves on Earth. 3. CME. A giant stream of hot gas released by the sun into space, which can cause magnetic storms and auroras. 4. Solar wind. A stream of small particles that the sun continuously blows out, shaking the Earth's magnetic field. Second, about the Earth. 1. Geomagnetic storm. It is when energetic particles from the sun hit the Earth's magnetic field, shaking and disturbing it. 2. Aurora. A multicolored light dance across the polar sky, created when solar particles hit Earth's atmosphere. 3. Radio blackout. It is when a solar flare causes radio waves to become jammed or temporarily shut down, causing communication to be interrupted. 4. Satellite drag. When the Earth's atmosphere expands due to magnetic storms, satellites are pulled down slowly, easily deviating from their orbit. 5. Power outage. When a magnetic storm induces currents in the power grid, causing equipment to burn out and widespread power outages. Okay, now let's listen to my story.
The story goes that the Earth was happy and the sun was enjoying its sleep.
One day the sun woke up, yawned deeply, and breathed out a stream of hot air towards the Earth. It collided with the Earth's magnetic field.
Meanwhile, outside the Earth's crust, a 36-year-old astronaut named Long was on a mission to photograph an impending solar storm to send back to NASA. During the mission, he saw a hot jet of air sweep past the satellite, causing it to lose signal.
A solar storm swept across the Earth, destroying and damaging signal towers. At the same time, on Earth, there was a boy playing a game, named Nam, only 18 years old. He was playing video games when suddenly, oops, the power suddenly went out and so did the internet.
He was so angry that he shouted loudly.
Back to Mr. Long, the spark was heading towards him, so he had to quickly run into the spaceship to avoid being exposed to radiation.
Luckily he got in, otherwise his health could have been seriously affected.
Through the story I just told, we see that space weather affects a lot of people's lives. For example, astronauts like Long, radiation particles can affect their health, increasing the risk of cancer. Or like the guy Nem, a normal person, but is also affected by electromagnetic interference caused by solar storms. The goal of my project is to help children understand the impact of the sun on our planet, so that later on they can think of ways to prevent and suppress it, and realize mankind's dream of conquering space.
And that's all. Thanks for listening.